Just love me and trust me. I'll make your world beautiful for you. Ultimate love star Iyke assures Theresa. Ultimate Love reality TV show has become a very wonderful platform where anyone who lost hope of getting to meet the right partner comes to get even the best of that. Most of the love guests have proved they love and cherish every partner they have been allowed to choose for themselves, and this has also been a piece of inspiration for the viewers and lovers of the show. Just recently, two of the love guests, Ikenna Nnama, better known as Iyke, and his ultimate partner, Ifeoma Ugorji, better known as Theresa, shared a mind-blowing photos accompanied with an auspicious caption. Recalled throughout their stay in the ultimate love pad, these two lovebirds showed so much love to each and may likely never come against them as they are preparing to journey for eternity. In the post shared via Iyke official Instagram page, he assures Theresa that his ultimate goal is making sure her world is beautiful only if she trusts and loves him without any fear. I will make your world beautiful for you. No need to fear, baby. Just love and trust me. All we pray that all we pray that this come to what did you write? We pray that this comes true like a dream. So guys, what do you think about Ikeresa's journey to the next level? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.